Good morning and welcome back to your Delta News on Fox. We are taking a live look outside. We are facing west over Highway 82 toward Lake Village in Arkansas. Now these clouds are moving in on this morning. Drastic view from what we saw a little bit earlier, but we got a chance to see that sun peeking out. So it is getting cloudy that way. Karen said we may be expecting supposed showers. So do be careful if you are out that way because it is definitely getting dark. But we will get a full update of our forecast with our meteorologist, Miss Karen Williams.
In your weather headlines, Barry is expected to make landfall tomorrow morning. And I tell you, that is the big news. Now, the other news is it may be a Category 1 hurricane, but I still, folks, want to stress to you, don't get hung up with the number here, because the thing about it is, regardless, any amount of rain is not good. And we expect that landfall to occur in the central Louisiana coast. That is the target spot that we are really keeping an eye out for. Now, looking at the watches and warnings, they're already covered already, and they're expected to last, and they're going to last until about Sunday morning, but they may be extended out. It all depends on the movement of Tropical Storm Barry. As we widen out the view, you can see there's already some showers that are impacting New Orleans, Gulfport, Baton Rouge, and even parts of the panhandle of Florida here. So again, this is just the beginning. It's not even full tilt yet. Now, as we look at another view here, we have hurricane warnings, we have watches, we have flood watches, warnings, we even have a heat advisory. We have a little bit of everything going on here. But again, this is the big story here, and again, we want you to just take heed. Now, currently outside, it's 78 degrees in Greenville, and we have those light winds out of the north at 7 miles per hour, and it is feeling pretty hot and humid out there. It feels like 81 degrees. Greenwood, you're at 79 degrees. Things are calm out there, but your heat index, it feels like 82 degrees. We have flood watches and warnings that I've already stressed that are running through the southeastern portion of Louisiana and then parts of our area as well, because we already have problems with the Mississippi already. So any additional rain is not welcome at this point. Just keep in mind, once Barry starts and really gets wound up pretty good here, you're going to see ponding on the road, so you want to really be careful. Watch where you're walking, and remember, when the water covers the road, don't cross it. You want to turn around, don't drown. If you're told to evacuate by authorities, do so, and please remember to protect your property, as well as take your pets with you as well. Looking at our future tracker, as we put it into motion here, this is Tropical Storm Barry, and we expect to hit at least parts of the central part of Louisiana. And once that occurs, we have to look out for any rip currents. We have to look forward to flooding. We also have to look forward to a potential on the eastern side where it could possibly be an isolated tornado. So these are the things you got to keep in mind, folks, with a storm like this. Now, we have temperatures 81 degrees in Clarksdale. Again, another view. We still have those showers and storms that will be moving into our area. The target time, again, will be Saturday into Sunday. Looking ahead here, your forecast, partly cloudy, 92 degrees, possibility of showers and storms tonight, 92. And then tonight, mostly cloudy, 75. And then tomorrow, we have mostly cloudy, chance of showers and storms. This is the beginning of Tropical Storm Barry, and that will carry over for your 7-day for Sunday and parts of Monday. The good thing is the temperatures will be in the mid-80s. We were bound to get for Tuesday and Wednesday in the 90s, and then we finally dry out by Thursday. Faith?
Thank you so much, Karen. Now, many are on Barry watch on this morning, and really throughout the weekend it's going to go into. Louisiana officials are ramping up storm warnings as Tropical Storm Barry approaches the coast. Kristen Holmes is in New Orleans with the latest on the storm.
We cannot pump our way out of the water levels and the waterfalls that are expected to hit the city of New Orleans.
Officials reiterating calls for Gulf Coast residents to be prepared as Tropical Storm Barry barrels toward land.
I am ready to jump on that last minute out like I was with Katrina.
While residents buy out store shelves, stocking up on essentials like bread and water, the storm continues to intensify over the warm waters of the Gulf. Barry is expected to make landfall Saturday as a hurricane, but the National Weather Service is asking people not to